Yo, what's up?
Okay, so now we are in Ubud. Yeah, look at that, the monkeys on the cables. I think that they are hungry and then they are going to the resident's house and trying to get food.
So this is the restaurant since 1990. It's not paid endorsement, however this is very famous place in Ubud, so it's also worth to try. Meanwhile, that's how it looks. The situation on the street, I could say, deserted. And here is the veggie karma. Many people actually ask me also to show this place, the vegetarian place, the buffet. So what you paid, I don't remember how much, I think 50k or something, and all you can eat, of course, veggie food. However, the restaurant is closed, very closed, I could say, almost deserted. And this is already the junction. Where is the monkey forest? Monkey forest, Coco Mart Market, Von Dutch, some restaurants, and we're gonna hit into direction of monkey forest. Meanwhile, that's how it looks, the situation. Auto Cafe, Von Dutch, other restaurants over here. Also the situation of the Coco Mart. That's how it looks like. Yeah, some businesses over there. And this is the monkey forest, Ubud, beautiful statue with the monkey. Sayang already walking, and here is some L'Osteria, pizza, gelato restaurant. Of course, everything takeaway, so no chance for this. Even the Auto Cafe right now is even closed, I just realized. Because, I don't know, maybe no interest for takeaway. That's how it looks, the situation.
Well, basically, like nowadays, the revision laws or rules in Bali is that only the essential sectors, including like like shops selling food or just like daily needs that can open. The rest, like shop for clothes or something like that, they have to be closed.
They have to be closed. Hello, how are you? All good, yeah?
Yeah, good. All good.
All good. So obviously many shops will be closed during this time. Actually, many of these shops already are out of business because this mini mart is closed already long time. This is the paper for sale or for land.
Oh, look at this one. This beautiful architect.
This beautiful building, Winnie.
Spa.
Winnie just noticed, realized, yes, that's true. Here's some galleries, stuff like this. I think this is not really the best time for any galleries right now. I don't think so many people will buy any paintings. However, like this spa also closed. This one is definitely not open. Only the paper on the door. Whew, so hot. That's how it looked like. Yeah, so many cozy warungs here around. Also, some hotels, spas, stuff like this. And we are heading into direction of monkey forest. The very low price, but still very, very quiet. Obviously, now you cannot sit inside, but yeah, great food, great price. 30k for all of this goodies what you see. Pretty nice restaurant. Unfortunately only for takeaway right now. Tropical view, I think this calls. And yeah, the rest of the businesses. This is just the entrance to the monkey forest right now. And as you see the sign over here, temporarily closed until further notice. This word here, until further notice, is always a little bit sad because nobody knows how long it's gonna take. But I just wanna show you very closely, slowly, how it looks situation just at the entrance to the monkey forest. Super quiet. Super quiet. There supposed to be some restaurant. Unfortunately, well, everything is closed. And normally, if you remember, if you walked already on this street, it's supposed to be monkeys around. but well, I don't see any monkeys right now, not yet. Maybe soon we will see. How's the? Here is some monkey forest guard. So basically, probably they taking care of the monkey forest inside. But we are walking already deep inside monkey forest on the street, on the public area, obviously. But I didn't saw even single monkey yet.
And actually, this time is at 4 p.m. I think that when a normal time, the monkey is still wandering around.
Yeah, they don't sleep, I think, at that time yet. But
Yeah.
no monkeys around. And here's supposed to be the old entrance long time ago. I mean, like 5 years ago, something like that. The entrance was here. Now it's deep inside. There is the new building. I already make a long time ago vlog from Monkey Forest. So if you're interested, you can come back and watch. However, also I want to show you here. Long time ago was the parking area over there. The old buildings. Everywhere was monkeys. Generally was so many bikes, cars, and monkeys everywhere around. But oh, it's one monkey here. Yeah, it's one monkey here playing with something, and I think one monkey is sitting there, but still supposed to be a lot of monkeys around. So unfortunately we cannot get inside because it's closed.
Yeah, I wonder that if the monkeys still get enough food when, you know, nowadays there are no tourists coming to the monkey forest. I don't know then how the management still have the money for the food.
Monkey over here. One monkey passing by,
Oh, there also one more.
climbing the tree right now.
Oh, look at that.
Which one, honey?
There.
Oh, and the one monkey here playing on the cables. I will zoom it a little bit for you. That's actually a nice shot. Monkey enjoying with the cables. Just be careful, buddy, there. Some people passing by. Unfortunately, also this area of Monkey Forest Street looks a little bit sad because so many buildings falling apart. They're obviously old, but
And deserted for a long
deserted
time.
for a very long time. And here looks a little bit scary and sad at the same time. So you can comment below what do you think about that situation. Oh, that was the lizard here. Cyan grabbed my arm so hard I was getting nearly heart attack. Okay, here we go. There are few monkeys here. And there are buildings also. If I'm already walking here, I will show you as they are.
I think that the monkeys
Deserted.
here are waiting for the food.
I think sometimes people passing by cars, they stop over here and they feed the monkeys. Even here is the sign, don't feed the monkeys, obviously. But look at these monkeys, look so sad without people. What do you think about this? Are you more happy without people or with tourists around? Yeah, that's how it looks. Oh, one monkey jumping over here also. So it's really that's how it looks, the situation. And here also the corner of Jalan Monkey Forest. Quickly I will show you the situation. Oh, there are 3 monkeys here. Okay, some monkeys are here. Okay, so that's a good sign. And meanwhile, that's how it looks, the situation in Jalan Monkey Forest. Obviously super quiet. There are some monkeys jumping on the streets over there. I will zoom it for you. Whoa, one monkey here sliding, and they are on
That's the king, I think.
All right, should we evacuate now? Okay, so monkeys now are playing on the roofs of these buildings, and unfortunately also these buildings, they are well, in very bad shape, I have to say. And well, yeah, many of them, they are abandoned restaurants. So I think they are playing here around because they are looking for food. Where's honey? What do you think?
Yeah, look at that, the monkeys on the cables. I think that they are hungry and then they are going to the resident's house. and trying to get food.
Yeah, because obviously behind these buildings, behind these restaurants, they are houses, the local people living around. But
Oh, look at that, they are on the cables there also.
everywhere I will zoom for a little bit for you. So there are two monkeys playing with these cables. One monkey chilling over here on the cable. And they are playing here, jumping. They are quite good jumpers on these cables actually. And they are trying to get inside this building. Whoa. Meanwhile, that's how it looks. The area here. So there are few monkeys. We are a little bit like on the on the bus station waiting for the bus with the food. Unfortunately, I think it will be very hard for them. Also, there is some lady walking. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's scaring me actually little. That scares me a little bit. So,
And just look at this shop. I think that since long time ago, maybe before pandemic, this shop area is closed. I
Looks-
didn't know that.
I will be afraid walking here on the midnight, to be honest.
This is just the like the haunted shop.
Yeah. Oh, you see, you have to also be careful how you step.
Alright,
Alright, guys.
guys, I think that's all our video today from Monkey Forest Ubud.
Monkey still playing. Distract me a little bit.
Okay, I think that's all our video today. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Stay safe.
See ya, take care,
Bye.
guys.